So from 282 all the way, let's say even here you got out here, let's say, right? When you made that try to rip up. From 282 to 226, come on. Can't beat that, right? How you doing, everybody? Today we're gonna go over one of my favorite strategy. It's on TradingView. I love my indicators. I love simple indicators. I love testing them. So I want to share this strategy with you guys, and you can use it on your next trading day. Put it in your toolbox. Let's get right into it. So I like to use this strategy at the 1 hour. The indicator is called CE, Chandelier Exit by Everget. Oops, apologize for that. By Everget, right? Chandelier Exit, right there. Right, I like to clean up I like my chart very neat, so we're going to clean this up. So what I would do, I would go to style, would unclick everything except the buy label and the sell labels, right? These two in the bottom, you can leave them. Buy label above bar, right? Press OK. So as you can see right here, in its default setting, it's pretty good. We got a buy signal. So as we can see right there, right on the first candlestick, buy signal, right on the first candlestick, sell signal, right? Sell signal would have been nice if it was up here. Sell signal would have been nice if it's up here, right? Buy signal would have been nice if it was up here, down here, right? Buy signal would have been nice if it was down here. So as you guys can see, there's little lags into it, right? But overall, its default setting is pretty good. We got buy signal right here, right? It's pretty good. This buy signal would have been nice if it was down here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the accuracy and lessen the lag, right? So what we're going to do is we're gonna go to CE, click that, go to inputs, and you're gonna put one for ATR period and 1.85 for the ATR multiplier. Unclick this use close price for extremium and unclick the highlight state. Boom. Now let's check it out. We're at the 1 hour time frame, right? We got a buy signal right here, sell signal right here, sell signal right in the first candlestick, buy signal right on the first candlestick. I think earlier it was here. Buy signal first candlestick, sell signal, beautiful, right? This buy signal was here earlier, but as you can see, it fixed itself, right? First candlestick right here, still the same. Buy signal right here, first candlestick, sell signal, beautiful, right? Buy, sell, it even catches the choppiness of the market, so it's beautiful, perfect indicator for us. So now we lessen the lag of this indicator. So what we're going to do is we're gonna add another indicator to help it even more accurate, right? So what we're going to add is something called Chandelier Stop, right? By Pip Charlie, this guy, right? Chandelier Stop, right? Very simple. So right here, guys, as you can see, if you don't want to get caught up to the choppiness, like for example, we got one right here. We got a buy signal, right? And then we got this purple line. Then we got the sell signal. However, the line never changed, right? Then we got another sell signal, but the line never changed. So we continue to hold, to hold, to hold. And right here, you could have got out your position because you seen multiple signal, but yeah, you seen that little color just change. So you could have got out of your position here if you wanted to. You could even got out here if you wanted to, if you didn't want to be greedy, right? Let's look for another example. You got a buy signal again. Hang on. You got a buy signal again, right around this area. Boom. You got the line. You got the line that's confirming that you're still on a buy, even though you got two sells right there. And boom, you could have got out here, right? Why? Because you have those sell signal. However, it did change. The trend did change color. So what you could do is that you're gonna plot that line around that area. So if you would have took this for long, it's 168.99, and you took it all the way to 186. That's not bad if you trade options, right? We have one right here as well. We have a buy signal right here. Boom, we have here a 140. Right about there, about 140, 140. Right, you got a sell signal right there. You could have got out if you wanted to, but the color never changed until the next day. I think yes, you had to swing this play. But let's say you did got out at this point right here, right? When you seen that color change, you took that from 141 to 157. Beautiful play, and it's not like a day where you know you have to swing overnight. Like you're in an hour time frame. It's beautiful. You can use it for intraday, right? Then you have one. Let's go for the short ones, right? We have a sell signal right here. We have a sell signal around this area. Let's say we took the sell right here. We got that color. We sell, we sell, we sell. Then we have a buy, but we still stay because the trend is still there. And boom, we get out in this area right here. The moment that line changed, right? So we took that play from let's say 186, 186.07 all the way to 161. Beautiful play on that, right? We have another one right here. Let's look for a short play. We have a buy signal confirming that we are still in a blue trend. We've seen that sell signal, and we took that from 181 all the way to 186. Not bad, right? But if you took it from down here and you seen that color change, you could have dried calls and you know that sniper entry right there, right? I like that sniper entry right here from the sell. And once that color change all the way here, you're out of there, right? From 226 all the way from 186.06. If you trade options once again, you would have loved this play. You would love this strategy, right? Look at that. Sell signal right here. And you just hold. Seeing that purple, you get out of there. So from 282 all the way, let's say, even here you got out here, let's say, right? When you made that try to rip up. From 282 to 226, come on. Can't beat that, right? So it's I know it's a simple strategy. You could add more if you have a strategy on your toolbox. But this strategy right here keeps it very simple for me. I like a screen that looks very neat, easy to read. It's not a lot of things going on. It's not too noisy. But the market has been choppy lately, you guys. So when you are trading, be more cautious. Set your stop losses, right? If you are to set your stop losses, you get a buy signal here. Just put the stop loss right at the recent low. You can put it here, right, right there. If you want, you can even put the low right by the low when you made that bounce, right? But I like to be extra safe. Right now, I paid attention to the market. The market likes to trigger stop losses, then it goes on your favor. So I try to set my stop losses a little bit further, and then if you have the sell, just put it right above the swing high, right there, right here, that candle right there. Boom, right? Uh, right. You get that sell signal. You want to put a recent high. You put your stop losses right there. Right? Beautiful trade, guys. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the strategy. Have a great evening. Trade safely.